Well, my people, but there again once more, big up, respect and manners to each and everyone. I hope that everyone are alright. Yeah, I have some things I want to talk to you about in this video, viewers and subscribers. Alright, so I'm going to get started. Now, first things first. Some time ago, I got information that inmates beat and tortured an inmate while they were inside of a lockup. Now, when I got the information, I wondered if there was anyone watching over those inmates who was inside of the lockup. I also got unconfirmed information about that whole situation as well to viewers and subscribers. However, I don't want to jump to a conclusion. No, I'm going to present a video to you, my viewers and subscribers. And I want you to listen carefully to words that at least one person said in this video. I want you to look and listen to this video carefully and tell me what I think. Now, please bear in mind that you can hear a lot of noise in this video. You can also hear harsh language in this video. So before I present this video to you, this is a warning that some of the scenes in this video might not be suitable for everyone. The viewer discretion is advised. Observe. My people, did you hear what at least one person said in the video about police? Did you clearly hear what at least one person said in the video about police? My people, I got information that inmates beat and tortured an inmate and also accused them of being gay while they're inside of a lockup. In the video that I presented to you, at least one person accused the police of saying certain things. Now, if the words that at least one of those persons said in that video are true, then in my point of view, the situation look away. So my people, you let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, for some time now, viewers and subscribers, I've been keeping a close watch on a situation where it is said that a person was beaten by police officers within the United States of America. Now, I got information that 5 Memphis police officers were charged for the death of a person who goes by the last name of Nichols. And that person is said to be 29-year-old. That person is said to be an African descendant. Some people might say black man. Now, I'm going to give you information based on news articles that I read and news reports that I watched of viewers and subscribers. I'm going to listen carefully because I might be surprised to hear the charges and what happened to the jobs of those persons who are said to be somewhat involved in the beating of the man. So listen carefully. It is said that Mr. Nichols had been hospitalized after a traffic stop escalated into what some people might call police brutality. It is said that the incident happened on January 7 and the man had been hospitalized and the man died 3 days after the incident. So it is said that prosecutors said that the officers, all whom are black, were fired, viewers and subscribers. See? And listen to the charges. It is said that prosecutors said that those persons have been charged with aggravated kidnapping, official misconduct, official oppression, and aggravated assault, viewers and subscribers. I also saw a post that had been made on a social media page or an account for the Memphis Police Department, EST 1827 Yes, I say viewers and subscribers, and the post contains pictures that shows 5 persons and something that seems to be a statement regarding MPD internal investigation and findings. Yes, I say viewers and subscribers. So listen, so one of those pictures contains some words that says the Memphis Police Department has concluded its administrative investigation into the tragic death of Mr. and you can see the first name right there, so last name Nichols, viewers and subscribers. I'm not so good with names, please bear with me, people. So more words in the same picture says, after a thorough review of the circumstances surrounding this incident, we have determined that 5, call the 5 in a bracket, MPD officers violated multiple department policies, including excessive use of force, duty to intervene, and duty to render aid. So more words in the same picture said, earlier today, well, I assume it has something to do with the date what me say in the picture right there, so are on what I'm reading. Each officer charged was terminated from the Memphis Police Department. The Memphis Police Department is committed to protecting and defending the rights of every citizen in our city. And there are more words right there, but people. So me I say, when I really think I'm going to explain everything, but just read out some of the words them from the picture. Me say, you understand me, people? Now more info again now. It is said and also believed that the actions of all those persons led to the death of the person who goes by last name of Nichols, and that they are all responsible for what happened. It is said that in at least one video footage, you can hear the man crying out for his mother. It is said that at one point, Nichols was pepper sprayed by at least one of those persons. And at some point, he struggled to get on his feet and he ran from those persons. I'm going to say those persons, viewers and subscribers. And that persons who was involved in the beating of the man chased him. And at some point, he was held by those persons again. And they were yelling and shouting at him. Based on at least one video footage, it is said that the man had been struck multiple times without visible provocation. Based on one video, it is said that an officer shoved the man hard to the pavement with a knee or a leg, viewers and subscribers. And the man also had been pulled up by his shoulders and then kicked in the face more than one time. See, it is said that after the man had been pulled up into a sitting position, the man had been hit in the back with what appears to be a nightstick, as how some people might call it, number people. After being pulled up to his knees, the man had been hit again. Listen again, And it is said that once the man had been pulled to his feet, officers hit the man in the face multiple times while his hands are restrained behind his body. And those videos show more things that happened. It is also said among those persons who was involved in the beating of the man claimed that they were trying to stop the man, but he did not want to stop. Now, my people, you tell me now, what would you call a situation like that? What would you call a situation like that, viewers and subscribers? Leave a comment or comments in the comment section of the video and let me know what you think. I'm going to move on to another topic. Now, I got information that a man has been arrested and charged for stealing his brother's identity to obtain a driver's license. My people, nobody know if you do nothing like that. Totally madness that in my point of view. You see me I say? See? So it is said that the person was charged on a certain amount of counts of offenses, viewers and subscribers, which also include forgery and other offenses. So I say, but listen, my people, let me give you more information. So It is said that the fraud was uncovered by the police during a check on the Tax Administration Jamaica's database for subscribers. See? So it is said that the police discovered that the image on the driver's license presented by the man did not match the one on the system. So it is said that the RPD was contacted, and I think that RPD mean Revenue Protection Division. So it is said that the RPD was contacted and its investigations into the matter provided that on July 7 and August 29 last year, the man went to the Port Maria tax office where he took steps to apply for a general driver's license in his brother's name. So it is said that at some point the person was arrested and charged, viewers and subscribers, and at some point the person was offered bail at a certain amount of sum of money, viewers and subscribers. You may I say, and it is said that the person is set to appear before the court sometime this year, viewers and subscribers. You may I say, talk about a crazy world, my people. I tell you. Yeah, so me I left it, you know. Until the next time, my name is Dancehall Skilla. Big up.